Eastern Gate, conversation between Kashyapa and Buddha. The Dwarpala on the lowermost panel is similar to his counterpart on the opposite pillar except for his posture. He is seen laden with lots of jewelry. His one hand is dangling near his thigh while another one is holding a flower. The panels on the north face of the south pillar are conveying the story of the conversation between Kashyapa and Buddha. The village Urvela is shown in the topmost panel. Villagers are also depicted doing their daily chores. You can see few huts, a temple, shrine and a big house in this village. A lotus pond is depicted below where ladies are filling vessels. 3 ladies are engaged in grinding spices outside their hut. Animals like cows, buffaloes, goats and sheep are also shown which represent the livestock of the village. The next panel shows the main story of this episode. As per the story, Buddha once wanted to stay in the fire temple of Kashyapa's hermitage. However, this temple was lauded by a 5-headed venomous cobra. When Buddha entered this temple, the cobra attacked him, but later took refuge in his begging bowl. 3 anchorites showed with their matted look on left represent the disciples of Kashyapa who were mesmerized witnessing this miracle that just happened in front of his eyes. The temple shows Cobra with his hood above an empty pedestal which is representing Buddha. Kashyapa's hut is shown on right down the corner and he is shown inside the hut. River Naranjana is also shown nearby where peoples can be seen drawing water and taking bath.